Narrowing a broad idea into a testable research question. Collecting your raw data and processing it, uncertainties and all, into a linear graph with error bars. Comparing your result to published values. Identifying specific weaknesses and proposing realistic improvements. The Chemistry IA asks you to think like a scientist at every stage. This boot camp will show you how. Hi, I'm Meg, IB Chemistry Subject Lead at Revision Village. We've built a complete IA bootcamp. 6 modules cover every section of the IA, each tied directly to the assessment criteria. Here's what's inside. Each module explains what examiners are looking for, with a fully annotated worked example so you can see where the marks are earned and why. Flashcard activities let you practice the writing itself. You'll take a vague limitation and make it specific, or tighten a conclusion so it directly answers the research question. Workshop questions go even deeper. Processing data, working with uncertainties, evaluating methodology, writing justified conclusions. These are the skills the IA tests, and you build them by doing them. Detailed mark schemes, a growing collection of videos, and Newton AI will all be there to help. Beyond the bootcamp, there's a growing library of deeply annotated exemplars across different topics, plus dedicated skills sections for the mathematical, graphical, and experimental techniques that underpin strong practical work. The bootcamp is live now. Let's get started.